If you're getting a server timeout error while using PS Remote Play with your PlayStation 5 or PlayStation 4, the issue is usually network related. Here's how to fix it quickly. First, fully restart both your console and the device you're using for remote play. Shut the console down completely, don't use rest mode, then reboot your phone, PC, or tablet. This clears stuck network sessions. Next, check that your console is actually online. Go to Settings, then Network, then Connection Status, and confirm it shows connected. If it's lagging or offline, Remote Play will instantly time out. For the most stable setup, use a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi. If you must use Wi-Fi, switch to a 5 GHz band and stay close to the router to reduce interference. Also, verify Remote Play is enabled under Settings, then System, then Remote Play, and ensure Stay Connected to the Internet and Enable Turning On from Network are enabled in rest mode settings. If the error continues, sign out and back into the Remote Play app, then reboot your router for 10-15 seconds to refresh the connection.